Hello guys, Sumoto Lifestyle here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys for clicking. Oh my goodness, thank you so much for choosing to be here. And thank you so much for always coming to check my videos. I really appreciate for my new subscribers. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Join in. Guys, it's another day. I'm telling you, it's very, very cold outside. It's 43 degrees. That means it's very cold. But that does not mean that I'm not going to do what I'm supposed to do. It's a weekend and I need to cook for my people. Oh my goodness. But today I miss one of my dish that I used to eat back in Africa all the time. Be it the morning, coming from school, whatever, in school, we used to eat this dish. In Swahili, we call it Githeri. Githeri, it's a mixture of corn and beans, period. Corn and beans. Some people can put English potato if they want to, but I love mine with purely beans and corn. And the corn that we use is like hard corn when the corn is done, and then when it's dry, and then we soak the corn, and then we soak the beans, and then we put it together and we boil it. It makes corn. So that is why I'm going to make today, but unfortunately I don't have the dry corn. But on the store I found another corn from El Salvador. Here in the US, there's a corn a store that we call Fiesta. So I went there and I found this corn. I don't know, it's frozen. It's right here, guys. Frozen corn. It's Goya company. And it's a Los Aires and it's from El Salvador. So this is the corn that I found, but it's frozen, guys. Look. But it's very soft. But what I'm going to do with this corn, I'm going to cook it or boil it. And then I found beans. Guys, I love like organic beans. I don't like beans that they put on a can. Like already canned beans. That's a no to me. I love this kind of beans. There are all kinds of types of beans, but this is what I found here. These are the beans. And these beans actually, these are from El Salvador as well. So these beans are from El Salvador. And this corn, it could be from El Salvador as well, or from Mexico. Or, yeah. So, and they give you cooking instructions on how you cook this corn. But I love these beans. So what I did with these beans before I talk about the corns, I soaked the beans in the water. So last night actually I soaked the beans and my beans are already soaked, which I'm going to show you in here in my pot. And the good thing is, like, I don't like cooking beans inside my house because the smell so bad. They make the entire house smell like beans, okay? So I'm gonna cook my beans outdoor. As you know, guys, I have an outdoor stove that I'm gonna show you in a little bit when I'm gonna lit fire and I'm gonna put my beans. So over here, let me bend my camera so you can see the beans with my pot right here. So as you can see, this is my pot. In here, I soaked my beans. They're already soaked, as you can tell. Look at that. They're very soft right now. Actually, they might take even 30 minutes or maybe 50 minutes to cook because they are ready. So these are my beans from El Salvador. Hey, so these are the beans I'm going to make my githeri, a mixture of corn and beans. So right now what I'm doing, the beans are ready. The corns are very soft as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cook beans first before I can mix them together. But I'm going to fry them together. Of course, I'm going to put some onions and tomatoes and a little bit of oil. So I'm going to cook it, put some ingredients there, some spices in there, so that we can eat our githeri. Although, back home in Kenya, traditional, we do not usually put tomatoes on githeri. We don't do that. We only boil beans, and we boil corn, and we mix it, and that's it, and put a little bit of salt, and we're done. That is Githeri. But however, here in the US, you know, my people, I have my family, they love a little bit of spicy, so I might go ahead and put a little bit of spicy for them. But however, I'm gonna show you the plain Githeri before I mix everything together. So without further ado, guys, let's go outside, make fire, and then cook our beans. Okay, thank you so much. Follow me. Let's go outside. Guys, it's very windy out here, but I'm making fire using this lighter right here. The fire is almost going. So guys, I'm making the fire. It's almost here. I love the sun. It's very cold, but I don't know why the sun is coming. Guys, it's very cold. My nose is freezing like crazy. But hey, my fire is almost ready. Let me show you my fire. I'm making fire. Look at that. Guys, the fire is taking longer to light simply because it's been raining and it's very cold. So I needed to find like soft firewood or paper to start the fire. That's why it took a little bit longer. But hey, my fire is here, and we're gonna eat Githeri. If you're from Kenya, if you're from Africa, hey, come join me here, Sasa. Let's eat Githeri. You know, it's rare here in America to kind of cook organic food sometimes. We are so much used to eat food from around here, you know. And it's not easy for somebody to kind of make Githeri and beans. It's just like I'm having these cravings over my food back home. Maybe it's time for me to visit, right? That is what it looks like. So very soon, I guess I'm gonna take you along with me to Africa. Hey, here I am. My thoughts is telling me you need to go eat. Village life is calling my name. So meanwhile, let's keep making our fire.